Good morning and welcome to our SOFW event on home care today. We have 7 presentations. Some deal with biosurfactants, one with long-lasting polymers for disinfectants, and we have one for effervescent powder for detergents. So I hope you will enjoy this day today with us. Welcome again.
Welcome also from my side. I'm talking about keynote lectures. We will have 3, and I'm talking about the first 2. First one is Professor Jessica Freiherr, and she will talk about fragrances and the behavioral and psychophysiological effects of fragrances in detergents. Don't miss this one. Second one, Dr. Joachim Fensmer. He will talk about the vicious circle of the HLB value in surfactants. Don't miss this 2 keynote lectures, and there's a third one being introduced later on.
Okay, now moving on to our next 2 presentations. The titles are How to Achieve More Sustainable Goals, Better Product Margins, Additionally Verifiable Brand Claims, and How Do I Achieve Long-Lasting Disinfections? We will get the answers from Rodrigo Olmedo from Consumer Tech and Surya Kamin from Ashland. Enjoy.
These product launches are in the starting blocks. New biosurfactants will be presented by Sylvia Jentsch and Kevin Mutsch in the lectures of Evonik and Clariant. And also Jungbunzlauer presents a new effervescent compound.
As you can see, there's so much going on today, and our sponsors giving their very best to impress you. In this sense, stay tuned and have now fun with our SOFW event.